When it comes to mental health support, the National Association of School Psychologists recommends one in-house psychologist for every 500 students. But today in Maine, the average is one school psychologist per 1,500 students.
Filling those positions is tough right now, so a school in Ellsworth is expanding its existing mental health services to minimize that gap. News Center Maine's Caroline LaCour spoke with school leaders about this pilot program.
Making friends, homework, and extracurriculars. Dealing with school can leave a lot on students' plates at once. According to Educate Maine, 1 in 4 middle school students in the state report feeling sad or hopeless for 2 weeks or more.
All the assessments show that if it's not number one, it's number 2 on the list of needs for students. Is access to mental health services.
To make sure students can focus on what matters most, Ellsworth Elementary Middle School has adopted a new pilot program with community health and counseling services, tacking on telehealth to its already existing partnership.
It puts a burden on families to be able to pick students up, take them, bring them back, or even schedule after school when kids are missing activities they may be involved in. This really partners with the school and allows them to do that here.
The grant-funded program will allow students K through 8 to hop onto a telehealth call anytime they feel stressed or need some additional support.
Students would then come out of the classroom, be able to access the clinician remotely, receive that service, and then the community health worker will help transition the student back into the classroom.
The school hopes the added support will help students when in-school counseling might not be enough.
Schools are where students spend a majority of their days, so to be able to have resources readily available to meet those needs, we think that the outcomes will be better, both in terms of the treatment needs as well as the educational needs.
Equipping students with everything they need for success. In Ellsworth, Caroline LaCour, News Center, Maine.
And the school tells us they plan to expand the services to the high school if the program pans out well.